In this video, I'm going to show you how to summarize PDFs with AI. Now you can do it with any other AI tool. For this video, I'm going to use ChatGPT, but you can do it with Gemini. The process is the same. You can do it with Cloud AI, or you can do it with any other one that best suits your preference. But for now, I'm going to just use GPT. So the first thing you want to do is click on Upload File here. Click on Upload File. This is Add Photos and Files. So let's click on Add Files and Photos. Now go to your Explorer. I've prepared a PDF that we can use. So just click on it and let's enter by double clicking. It's going to load up. As you can see, the indicator here is loading up. Now it's done loading up and we can enter our prompts now. I've prepared a prompt. This is the prompt I usually use. Now you can enter any of these prompts, summarize this PDF in simple terms, give me key points from this document, break this into bullet points and explain like I'm new to the topic. Now what I like to do though, as much as you can use any of this, I like to just use a combination of the three. Summarize this PDF in simple terms and give me key points from the document, and also break it into bullet points and explain like I'm new to the topic. So just simply copy these prompts and paste here into GPT and then send the prompt. Now let's watch GPT do the magic. So as you can see, it's been summarized just as we asked it to do. The document is an inspiring message about creating, building, and starting projects even when you don't feel ready. It explains that many people stop trying new things because they are afraid of failure or think they need perfect conditions before starting. So you see here, these are the key points from the document, and these are the further breakdowns, right? So it's quite simple and straightforward. If you are a student, a content creator, or a researcher, or in any other field that requires you to, handle large PDF files and all that, you just don't have to do that anymore. Just come to any of these AI tools, as I've mentioned earlier. Um, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Cloud AI, or any other one of your preference, and just ask it to summarize your PDF, and it will get it done as soon as possible. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, consider subscribing, like, and share, and see you in the next one.